Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Wash the face with a facial cleanser, then evenly apply toner.
Settings, Mode, Warming Revive Warmth, 3 Recommended Treatment Time, 8 minutes, Countdown Display, Non-adjustable. Apply essence evenly over the face. Place the probe against the skin, and glide slowly in circular motions from the neck to cheeks then forehead. Keep full skin contact throughout treatment. Place the probe against the skin and perform slow lifting movements from the neck to cheeks then forehead. Maintain tight skin contact at all times. Settings, Mode, Energize Sculpting Warmth, 3 Recommended Treatment Time, 3 minutes, Countdown Display, Non-adjustable. Apply gel evenly to the face. Place the probe against the skin and use a stationary technique. Note, for sensitive areas, such as the neck and under-eye area, use a slow, lifting motion. Holding the probe in place for about 3 seconds at each point, moving slowly from the neck to the entire face. Settings, Mode, Lift Firming Warmth, 3 Energy, 3 Recommended Treatment Time, 12 minutes, Countdown Display, Non-adjustable. Place the probe against the skin, and perform slow lifting movements from the neck to cheeks then forehead. Maintain tight skin contact at all times. Settings, Mode, Wrinkle Smoothing Energy, 3 Recommended Treatment Time, 2 minutes, Countdown Display, Non-adjustable. Apply essence evenly over the face. Press the probe against the face, and move slowly in steady circular motions to cover the entire facial area. Manual lifting massage, 2 minutes. Gently lift upward from the neck and cheeks to the forehead, using light to moderate pressure. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence and facial cream.